What is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ngayong araw, siyempre, meron na naman tayong panibagong lesson. Pero bago tayo pumunta doon, balikan muna natin yung nakaraan kong itinuro sa inyo. Yun ay ang properties of integers. Kung nais yung balikan yon, ilalagay ko yung link sa description sa baba para mabalikan nyo yung last kong itinuro. So ngayon, ang ituturo ko naman sa inyo ay lesson 2 ng module 4. Yun ay ang changing fraction to decimals and changing decimal to fraction. So, alam ko favorite nyo to ng elementary. So, balikan natin kung paano nga ba mag-change ng fraction to decimal and vice versa. So, punta na tayo sa ating lesson. So, move na tayo sa ating lesson. Module 4, Lesson 2. Changing fractions to decimals and vice versa. So, ngayon, yung mga fractions is gagawin nating decimals and yung mga decimal numbers naman ay gagawin nating fractions. But first, let us review. Fraction represents a part of a whole. So, yung bawat fraction po ay parte po ng kabuuan. So, example, 2/3. 2 is the numerator and then 3 is the denominator. And then, decimal, it is a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Okay, so yung nasa left side, nung decimal point ay whole numbers, and then yung nasa right side naman is yung fraction. So example, 0.87, or it can be read as 87 hundredths. Example, yung nasa ones is yung 0 since walang whole number. And then tenths is yung digit na 8. At yung 7 is hundredths place value. So this is 87 hundredths. So now let's proceed in changing fractions to decimals. So, sa pagko-convert ng fractions to decimals, ang gagawin natin is we will use the long division. Numerator goes inside. Yung numerator po nasa loob po ng division and then yung denominator ay nasa labas. Let's have an example. Number 1, express 2/5 as a decimal. So, si 2 will be on the inside kasi siya yung dividend, and then si 5 as a divisor, siya naman yung nasa labas. So, let's begin long division. 2 divided by 5 is 0 kasi wala namang 5 na makukuha kay 2. So, 0 times 5 is 0, and then subtract natin sila. 2 minus 0 is 2. And then, add decimal point and 0 as needed. Since wala na tayong iba pang kasama na digit, pwede tayong mag-add ng decimal point and then zeros. So, maglagay tayo ng decimal point at saka isang 0. So, align decimal and divide. So, kailangan naka-align yung dalawang decimal point, yung sa taas saka yung nasa baba. And then, magdadagdag lang tayo ng zeros hanggang sa hindi pa natin nakukuha yung sagot. So, meron ng 0 dyan. So, what are we going to do is to bring it down. So, yung 0, bring down natin. So, magiging 20 na siya. So, pwede na mag-divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then 4 times 5 is 20. And then 20 minus 20 is 0. So, 0 na po yung sagot sa baba. So, hindi na natin kailangan magdagdag pa ng panibagong 0. So, the answer is 0.4 or 4/10. So, 0.4 is a terminating decimal because it has finite number of digits. So, pag sinabi po nating terminating decimal, natatapos po siya at pwede po natin mabilang kung ilan ba yung digits na nasa kanya. So, yun po yung terminating decimal. Let's have another example. Number 2, express 18/50 as a decimal. So, ganun po ulit. Si 18 will be on the inside, and then si 50 na divisor nasa labas. So, let's begin long division. 18 divided by 50 is 0. And then 0 times 50 is 0. 18 minus 0 is obviously 18. And then let's add decimal point and 0 as needed. And then let's align the decimal and then divide. Ayan, so naka-align na po yung dalawang decimal point. So, next thing to do is to bring down the 0. So, magiging 180 na siya. So, 180 divided by 50 is 3. And then 3 times 50 is 150. And then subtract natin. 180 minus 150 is 30. And then add another 0. Bring it down. Magiging 300. So, 300 divided by 50 is 6. 6 times 50 is 300. And then subtract natin sila. The answer is 0. Since 0 na po yan, hindi po natin kailangan magdagdag pa ng another 0 sa taas. So, the final answer is 0.36 or 36 hundredths. 0.36 is also a terminating decimal because it has finite number of digits. Let's have another example. Converting fractions with powers of 10 as a denominator. 2 decimals. So, pag sinabi natin with powers of 10, yun yung 10, ang kanyang denominator, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. So, let's have an example. 3 over 10. So, pag binasa natin yan, 3 tenths. So, yung tenths, yung 3 po ay nasa tenths daw, kaya nga 3 tenths. So, dapat si 3 ay nasa tenths place pag ginawa natin siyang decimal. So, here, ayan. So, gumawa ako ng table para mas madali nyo maintindihan. So, sabi dyan, si 3 daw ay nasa tenths. So, dapat dun siya isusulat. And then, wala naman tayong whole number dyan. So, yung ones, lalagyan natin ng 0. So, the final answer is 0.3. So, 3 over 10 can be written as 0.3 or 3 tenths in decimal. And then number 4, 5 over 100. Or it can be read as 5 hundredths. So, yung 5 daw po ay dapat nasa hundredths place. So, ganun ulit. Lagay ulit natin sa table. So, si hundreds ay nasa 5. And then, since walang nakalagay sa tenths, kasi 5 hundredths siya. So, automatic, si tenths lalagyan natin ng 0. And then, wala ring whole number. So, si ones ay 0 din. So, final answer is 0.05. And then, number 5 is 345 over 1,000. Or it can be read as 345 thousandths. So, si 5 daw po, yung pinakadulong digit, dapat nasa thousandths place. So, ganun ulit. Si 5 nasa thousands, si 4 nasa hundreds, at si 3 ay nasa tenths. So, hindi tayo mag-pili ng 0, basta merong present na mga digit para sa place value na yun. Since wala tayong whole number, 0 ulit yung ones. So, the final answer is 0.345 or 345 thousandths. So, express 1 over 3 as a decimal. So, ganun ulit. 1 sa loob, 3 sa labas. 1 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And then, mag-add tayo ng 0 at saka decimal point sa taas at saka sa baba. So, magiging 10 na siya. So, bring down natin yung 0. So, 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then, add another 0, bring it down. Magiging 10. So, 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Another 0, and magiging 10. And then 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then add another 0. Lagay ulit natin dyan. So, magiging 10. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then the process goes on and on. So, pagka nilagay niya sa calculator, 1 divided by 3, ang sagot will be 0.333 and so on. So, it is being repeated infinitely. So, yung 3, paulit-ulit lang siyang 3 hanggang sa dulo, walang katapusan, infinitely. So, kapag ka ganun, maglagay na lang tayo ng tatlong tuldok sa dulo niya. Okay? Para ibig sabihin, it is being repeated infinitely. So, in other words, paano natin siya paiikliin? So, pwede siyang isulat as 0.3 bar. Yan, merong bar sa taas nung 3 kasi si 3 yung inuulit infinitely. So, we put a bar on top of the digit or kung maraming digit being repeated infinitely. So, naglalagay tayo ng bar sa taas ng digit o mga digits na inuulit infinitely. So, 0.3 bar is a repeating decimal. So, pag binasa natin siya, 0.3 bar. And then, example number 7, express 25 over 99 as a decimal. So, ganun po ulit, si 25 sa loob, 99 sa labas. So, 25 divided by 99 is 0. 0 times 99 is 0. 25 minus 0 is 25. Let's add 0 and decimal point. Naka-align na yan. So, next thing to do is to bring down 0. Magiging 250. 250 divided by 99 is 2. 2 times 99 is 198. Subtract po natin. Magiging 52. And then, add another 0. Bring it down. Magiging 520. 520 divided by 99 is 5. 5 times 99 is 495. Subtract natin, magiging 25. Add another 0. Bring it down, magiging 250. Ipat natin sa kabila, di na kasya. So, magiging 250 siya dyan. And then, 250 divided by 99 is 2. 2 times 99 is 198. Subtract natin, magiging 52. And then, add another 0, bring down, magiging 520. And then, 520 divided by 99 is 5. 5 times 99 is 495. Subtract, magiging 25. So, nakita natin may pattern, no? May inuulit. So, kapag nilagay natin yan sa calculator, tinype natin, ang sagot dyan will be 0.25, 25, 25, 25, and so on. So, kapag ganon, inuulit, talagyan na lang natin ang tatlong tuldok sa dulo. Or, susulat natin siya like this one. So, magiging 0.25 bar. Yan, may bar ulit sa taas. So, yan yung final answer, 0.25 bar. So, 0.25 bar is a repeating decimal. So, dito is dalawang digit yung inuulit. Sa number 6 example is, isa lang yung digit na inuulit. Dito po sa number 7 is dalawa. So, next naman, paano pag mix numbers to decimals? So, ganun pa rin, magdalawang division, and then, yung whole number is ilalagay na natin sa harap or dun sa left side ng decimal point. Example, convert 2 and 3 over 4 to a decimal. So, ganun ulit. Si 2, huwag natin pakilaman. Si 3, tsaka si 3 over 4 nang gagamitin natin sa pagdi-divide. So, set up long division on the fraction part and then complete the division. So, 3 divided by 4 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Subtract natin, magiging 3. And then, lagay tayo ng 0 at saka decimal point. Bring down 0, magiging 30. 30 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 28. And then, subtract, magiging 2. Add 0, bring it down. Magiging 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract them. Magiging 0. So, hindi na po tayo magdadagdag ng another 0 kasi may sagot na sa baba is 0 na. So, yun na ba yung sagot? Hindi pa po. Yun pala po yung sagot o yung para sa fraction part. So, ang gagawin natin is replace natin yung 0 na nasa unahan by the whole number in front dun sa decimal na yun. So, yung 2 na mixed number, yung 2 na nasa mixed number or yung 2 na whole number, ilalagay natin dun sa part ni 0. So, magiging 2.75. So, si 2, nilagay natin sa unahan. Kapalit ni 0. So, this is the final answer. 2 and 75 hundredths. How about another example? So, convert 10 and 5 over 8 to a decimal. So, ganoon ulit, divide. 5 divided by 8 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. And then, add 0. 0. Bring down, magiging 50. 50 divided 8 is 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract them, magiging 2. Add another 0. Bring it down, magiging 20. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Bring down. Subtract. 20 minus 16 is 4. Add another 0. Bring it down. Magiging 40. 40 divided 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract 0. So, yun na po yung sagot. Okay na tayo 0.625. Pero, since yung 10 na whole number, kailangan ipalit natin kay 0. So, si 0 magiging 10. Yan. Papalitan natin siya. So, magiging 10.625. Or, 10 and 625 thousandths. So, ngayon gagamit naman tayo ng place value. 4 and 45 over 1,000. So, pag binasa siya, 4 and 45 thousandths. So, si digit na 5, dapat nasa thousands place. Kasi sabi 45 thousandths. So, si 5 dapat nasa thousands and then si 4 nasa hundreds. Since dalawa lang yung digit na yan, dagdagan natin si tens, gawin natin 0 kasi walang binigay na para sa tens place. And then si 4 na whole number, dun siya sa ones. So, ang decimal number dyan will be 4.045 or 4 and 45 thousandths. Next, 12 and 38 over 100. So, pag binasa siya, 12 and 38 hundredths. So, digit na 8 must be on the hundredths place kasi sabi 38 hundredths. So, sagot will be, since dalawa naman yung digit na yan, ilagay na natin dyan agad. Kasi dalawa yung digit din for hundredths. So, 38, ayan na po. And then 12 sa left side ng decimal point. Yung fraction nasa right side nung decimal point. So, that will be 12 and 38 hundredths.
That is all for today, guys. Salamat po sa panonood ng aking video. Kung nais siya pong matuto, sana po lagi po kayong magsubaybay sa mga videos ko. Please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell below at pinutin niyo yung all para lahat ng mga lessons ko ay man-notify kayo. So, God bless po sa bawat isa. Shoutout sa mga estudyante ko and sa mga subscribers. Saranghe and ingat kayo always. Bye-bye!